Hey folks, Brooke Bowen with 2 Bravo Solutions. Last week I posted up a picture of the Agilite SixPack Hanger attached to the Tactical Tailor's Rogue Gen 2 plate carrier. Had a couple questions and some DMs asking me how I set it up with my medical configuration. So I'm going to go through that, some of its features. I'll post as much as I can on Instagram, post the rest on YouTube for my 2 followers. Link will be up in my link tree. All right, first and foremost, it's got a Velcro panel up front. You can put your medical identifier. This one's an Arbor Arms green and tan medical identifier. It's got a front pocket and a large oversized pocket. The way it attaches to the plate carrier is a large Velcro panel. Stows away on the back. Still allows you to use the elastic loop drop panel. Everything's got these big tabs. Yeah, to put these on, the buckles on themselves, they're split, super easy to put on. The good news is with those, and it comes with it, you can get a waist strap. Now you got a fanny pack with your med supplies in it. Kind of slick feature, allows you to roll with your med kit without walking off with all your kit. So the drop loops, I've had the soft T tourniquet in it for a couple iterations of our training scenarios we've been doing out here. Running, jumping, no issues. The loops are big enough you can put a pen up top. Needle D if you are trained on it or required by your team's SOPs. You put one more item. It still rolls up and secures on the back. Front pocket, I currently have nothing in it. Probably fit a set of shears if you wanted to. In fact, we'll go over that in a second. Shears, documents, your med card if that's required, SOP, gum, whatever. Chem lights maybe. Fit a couple chem lights in there easy. And then the large pouch. My only downside is the zippers stop short. Good, it'll keep everything from falling out, I guess, but it also makes it a little difficult to get stuff out. I loaded the interior with a pre-configured sled. The sled's the interior from a North American Rescue Eagle IFAC. I've had them for years out here where I'm at. It's got a big pull tab I could set off. The way it used to come was a pouch with dual zippers. Once you pulled on this tab, those 2 zippers came out and you had access to all your med gear. So for me, this sled's pretty solid with the bungees. Holds everything I want in there. I think this is something you could rig up on your own with a little bit of Velcro. The only thing I know is when you use adhesive Velcro, that heat time, the adhesive fails. It'd probably leave the Velcro in there and come off with just a sled. No big deal. You still get your med gear. The Velcro on this allows it to attach to the front of that or the top of my plate carrier. If our medic was working on me, I wouldn't be able to probably run off with it, maybe, or walk off, but it'd still be there. So that's how I run it. That North American Rescue IFAC, Eagle IFAC sled inside. All right, so we'll look at the other options. All right, space blanket. Two chest seals. Quick clot. More Z-fold gauze. 6-inch emergency trauma dressing. As you can see, I still got a little bit of room in there once the zipper goes down. NPA, I'll put it up front. We got the room. I do notice the stuff in the main pouch pushes against that little pouch. I'll set a set of gloves in there. And the smaller set of shears. So still room. You can see it's still smashing around. Same items on the bottom. Easy day. All right, for those of you that don't run cats, buckle's getting stuck. Here's a soft tee. It's the newest generation, so it's got the little hooks on it. It's got plastic buckles. Still rolls up, attaches underneath. And another feature that I didn't show you in the video, just because of the way all that stuff configures for me, is it does have elastic loops inside that front panel. There's 4 of them total, so you can use that to organize some of your stuff. I'm not sure on the med stuff what all would fit in there. Maybe a couple different of the really small Z-fold gauze from some of the other companies like H&H or something like that. So there it is, the way I run it with the North American Eagle IFAK insert, all combined, and then all the same items stuffed inside the pockets. Just makes it a little lumpy and got some extra gaps. I'll post up some descriptions down below. Like I said, I'll throw the link on there on my link tree for the YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you got any questions. Comment below.